Chapter 1 Introduction. I've segmented the introduction chapter into two parts. Now I'm going to discuss part 1. Here is the learning objective. After completion of this chapter, you will be able to understand the concept of quality, dimensions of quality. You will be able to define and understand the concept of total quality management, fundamental principles of total quality management, some basic approaches and features of total quality management, and you will be able to know the challenges and benefits of total quality management. Let's define what is quality. Quality is defined as the degree of excellence of a product or service provides. That means the level of excellence of a product or service provides. If we describe in detail, that means how good something is compared to other similar thing. If I give an example of a pen, that means how good a pen is compared to other similar pen. That means to what extent, to what level the pen is excellent. That is means quality. Quality is sometimes considered as a customer satisfaction. That means if the customer is satisfied about the product or service, that means that product or service has quality or maintain the quality. Quality is also sometimes considered as the fitness for use. If I give an example of a car, if the car is fit for the use, that means the car has that quality or car maintain that quality. So that is basically means quality. Now we will go for another slide, that is quality in different perspective. So quality can be defined in different perspectives. Like according to safety department, quality is zero incidents. So if the safety departments do not have any hazards or do not have any accidents, that means safety department has maintained quality. According to production department, quality means meet production target on time. So if the production department is able to achieve their production target on time or before the time, that means the production department has maintained that quality or they assured quality. According to quality department, quality is conformance to specification. Here conformance to specification means to meet any requirement desired for the product. If the quality department able to meet any kind of requirement which is desired for the product, which is need for the product, that is actually quality. So that means quality department has ensured that quality of product or service. And then according to sales department, quality is demand for the product. If if the product has, if the sales department can create demand of the product or service, that means sales department can ensure quality or has ensured quality. So that is quality in different perspectives. Now, before describe the total quality management concept, we have to know actually from where total quality management concept has evolved. So quality management philosophy was evolved in Japan after Second World War. So in 1968, Japanese shaped the phrase of total quality control, and in 1980s, most of the companies in the world started applying the concept called total quality management, and they enhanced their productivity and profitability by applying the total quality management. So basically, in 1980s, total quality management concept has, you know, uh, applied in the industry. So here is the total quality management concept. So we can see that in total quality management, there are three alphabet T. T for total. Here total basically means from top to the bottom of the organization, every level of management is ensure quality of the organization, like top management, middle management, first line, and shop floor. So from the top to the bottom, every level of management is responsible to ensure the quality of that organization. Here Q means quality. Quality, as we have already discussed earlier, that excellence in every aspect of an organization. When you measure the excellence, good or bad, of a particular product, that is means quality. And management, as we know that management is act, art or manner of handling, controlling, directing, motivating, leading. So basically, if we summarize the total TQM, then TQM is the art of managing the whole organization to achieve excellence. That is total quality management. Now we can define total quality management in another way. I have, uh, highlighted some important characteristics or some important points of this definition in yellow marks that you can already see in the definition. So total quality management is a management approach for an organization centered on quality based on the participation of all its members and aiming at long-term success through customer satisfaction and benefits to all members of the organization and to society. Now, if we just focused on the yellow marks, you know, sentence or word, we can say that total quality management is a management approach which focused, which centered quality and which is based all participation of all members of the organization. That means all members means from top to the bottom of the organizations participate to ensure the quality of the organization, and their aim is they are aiming at long-term success, or we can say long-term goal, and these can be achieved through customer satisfaction. That is total quality management approach centered on quality. All members are involved to ensure the quality, and it is a long-term success, a long-term goal, and everything is achieved through the customer satisfaction. That is all about total quality management. Thank you for listening this lecture. That is all about part 1.